Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a sticker on a video using TikTok. Since some people be having the issue of not knowing how to add sticker on a video using on TikTok, especially when they want to post it. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's just start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, you can see that we on the home page, so make sure you are on the home page. Although it doesn't matter how, you can still add sticker on your video on every page or section you are on. So to add sticker on your video using TikTok, simply come and then click on this addition button. And then now as you can see we have the option to select the video or picture we would like to add sticker on. So let's try video for us. After doing so, you can see that we have been given the option to edit it, and also add it on your story. So simply come and then click on the sticker icon. And now as you can see we have the sticker area. So simply add in your sticker. And as you can see we have several options to choose from, and every sticker you choose, it adds on your video. So from now you can post it, save it or discard it. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.